Good morning, YouTube.
Okay, guys, let's go. What a crazy battle.
Good
Nine, take two.
morning.
Let's see what happened on 9.
What's up, everyone? I was grabbing my coffee there. Grabbing some coffee. How was everyone's fourth? Awesome. See if we can catch a nice trade today. If you have any questions, we got time. I don't see any news and events this morning. I'm going to unmute Team Bull and talk to them for a bit as well.
I like this 92 and 96.
What's up? What's everyone watching?
Morning, Grizzly.
Good morning.
Watching 932 and 990. Right, this is a 4-hour level range. So they already played the range in the morning. So they should be covering this range again at the opening.
How has my strategy changed? I've been focused on the 30-minute orb more this year. For sure. That's one big change. How's yours changed, Matt?
Alright, guys. Good break.
What'd you say, Gray?
Yeah, we broke 932, so maybe we can get our test and go down to 858. Ah, come on. Go back. Go back, come on.
We hit my bounce area on ES pre-market. That's unfortunate.
Stay very patient today. Same routine as always. Let's get it, Team Bull. Let's get it.
Yeah, Matty, I believe that the strategies tend to change with the presidents, you know? Strategies that worked last term doesn't, last president don't work as good as this president. Something I've noted. Just different environment, different personalities,
everyone kept their fingers this lovely 4th of July, stayed safe. You need them fingers. Unless you got a Neuralink to make a bag. Only anyone on this inside Team Bull's got Neuralink. Hopefully not.
Sipping some coffee.
I'm still watching price action.
Just sipping some coffee, waiting.
To see if this regret or how they're gonna recover this or whatever.
First 5-minute candle's weird.
I can see it all. Yeah, just staying patient. Mondays are my least profitable days, so I'm always going to be a little more patient with them. I'm in no rush.
Good morning. Welcome in, everyone. If you have any questions, ask them. Just waiting on
Got you, bro.
a trade. If you see anything you recommend, setup that you're watching, drop it in chat.
What an absolutely indecisive friend. What's up, Mr. Greg?
I'm just looking price session to try to see what's going on. I think they want to recover 932 and go up. Maybe that's the move.
Look, I didn't have any last night, I don't believe. Thank goodness. Tesla is down bad. Wild.
And no data today, huh? We literally went down, touched my support around 900, and also made the potential lower high below that 300. So we're right in indecision land. Right in the middle of indecision land. Highly doubt Tesla's in a halt. Nope, it's not. It would take a lot to halt Tesla.
I'm selling some, what is this? Alright. My phone messed up. I thought I had it on Do Not Disturb when I started the stream, but evidently I did not. Hopefully you all can still see the chat and everything. Sold some TSLL cash secured puts just now.
You guys see anything you like?
Looking right now.
Nice.
Go. As a reminder, guys, choose discipline over dopamine today. Stay focused, trade smart, trade safe. We'll see what our 15-minute range gives us.
All right, YouTube. So what did you all do for the 4th? What was the best part? I did nothing. Worked. Getting ready for this launch for you all on the strategies. We're just looking for, we're watching NQ right now for a possible trade, Patrick, but I'm open to suggestions. Try to make it a group effort here.
15 long, guys. 15 longs.
Greg just entered NQ longs, everyone. Greg entered NQ longs.
5, 1, 2, 2, 9, 5, 1.
It's not my trade, I'm not taking it, but I just like to let you all know. CDP short bias. I hope it works out for you. Looking at the time frame, you know, we could, looking at the higher time frames, we could make the next leg up this week, but I agree, you know, we are overextended on some time
And
frames.
ultra patient today.
9 to 5. 2, 2, 9 to 5.
I expect some
Grizzly
chop this
here.
year. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm here. I'm just watching. No trade yet.
The trading assistant says sideways.
Yeah, it's trying to tell us.
Says wait.
It's the last day. I should have the volume dialed in the way I want it today. Pump up for Greg.
Yes, come on, pump, pump. Let's see if we can get this 990 for our
The flood was rough, huh? I was reading about it. I don't see anything I like right here. I like the ES bounce that we was talking about this morning, but it hit pre-market.
Yep, we got our range.
While I was doing
dialed
something else.
in. Let's go.
15-minute range is in.
stop out.
Greg stopped out, he said, everyone.
Oof. Too much.
Terry, probably like between 99 to 149 a month for the strategies and all that. This coffee is good this morning. Must mean that the trade we catch together is going to be a good one.
Discipline, focus.
Probably going to trade live quite a bit this week, everyone, on here, so be sure you tune in. Also, YouTube, I have
I don't see nothing that I like.
I have a ton of Take Profits accounts to give away this week. If you don't want to wait on the giveaway, go to grizzlytrades.com, click on Take Profit, check them out. One of the best futures trading prop firms in the game. Make sure you use code Grizzly for the discount they have.
Stop me on, nice battle.
Not a whole lot going on with like news and events today, so we could see some sideways action. I expect Tuesday, the rest of the week to be solid though. I think the slowest day will probably be today. I may be wrong, but nice, Austin. Congrats.
Give us a nice setup. Come on. Wish we would have had higher volume on this aggressive up candle right here. If we would have had higher volume on this, I would have looked for a pullback back down and then longs with stops below this low right here. Would have rather seen that pin bar candle up at higher volume for a pullback down to the 50% retracement and then move on up. Did not get that, so just gonna stay patient for now. It's gonna say super patient.
Did you just say full port?
Yes, that's what I was actually saying.
Okay.
Thanks for deciphering that for me.
Yeah, Austin, if you meet the requirements, you can reach a payout in day one. I wouldn't recommend it, but
Let's top up and then pump.
I don't want you to lose it. 30-minute loo. It's my favorite.
Well,
Real quick, YouTube. We got 50 thumbs up. Let's get 50 more. Get it up to 100. I'll quit bothering you. Just real quick. Thanks. Who all's pumped for the strategies drop this week? You all ready?
inside the opening range still. Let's see.
I may surprise you all. So keep a watch on your emails. Good morning. It's something new, Michael. It's Grizzology's not going anywhere. I'm still gonna be improving Grizzology constantly, everyone. But it's separate. What I'm dropping is separate from Grizzology.
Well, I'm not seeing a whole lot. We rejected the 15-minute high. Staying very patient.
Five more minutes till we have our 30-minute range in. Oh, I forgot to set up my strategies this morning, so they can auto trade for me. I need to do that. I just have to take it manually if we trigger today. Let me put it on my chart. Let's see. If the orb strategy triggers, I'll let you all know, okay?
Stay patient, y'all. I'm not scalping anything right now. Or day trading anything.
I mean, if it's my personal zone, I will football. If it's, a personal zone I have now, I watch confirmation.
Right back down to the opening, middle of the range. Of course. Oh, come on. Give us some trend.
Do something.
Have the automated trading strategies taken any trades?
Not yet. The orb one cannot trigger until after 10. So.
Yeah. Interesting. Right between the 50% and the 61.8. I just can't get a good read in this market right now.
Yeah, you can do that here. Bryant Music, you just come here if you want to switch. Right here. You can switch you can have breakout, retest, or the 15 or 30 minute with Grizzology. You're welcome. Yeah, I just got an email from Take Profit. They're still having the 40% off sale. So definitely now's the time to try them. Go to grizzlytrades.com for the link and use code Grizzly. I sold quite a few TSLL
let's
puts,
see
everyone.
if they give us something.
If I get it signed, I'm okay with it in the price range that
Love
we're
to
in.
see us close this 5-minute week with minimal wick and then look for a short back up with stops above this candle up here. That's what I would like to see. That's my ideal situation currently. Touching pre-market low. I'm not sure if they're going to give us that. No trades yet. Nope.
Is it just gonna chop in this range until later? Yeah, but it's only 30 minutes in though. Let's see what it does. Let's at least give it 30 more minutes. It's a Monday, so with no news or events going on. Uh,
933.
Greg said he's getting an NQ loans again. It's not something I'm taking, but I always like to let you know.
My stop loss is 22913.
I'm certainly not shorting this now that we have this aggressive wick, higher volume. Gotta wait. Could reject in here, but it doesn't fit my system, so.
It's a tight range so far.
Come on, Jim. Come on.
I just don't see no trades in this.
Hey, what'd you take? I wasn't in the room.
Thank you. Thank you, Lance.
Oh, Longs, nice.
And 3933 to 2933.
Is Tesla moving again? Where's that at? Let me take a look. It's quite the gap down it had, huh? Oh, there. Yeah. Dip and rip, huh? Well, it'd be wild if it filled that gap today.
And then that.
Okay, so far around what? Almost 10 points profit.
I think I got the volume a little too.
Keep going, baby, keep going.
I need to adjust the volume just a little bit on this trading assistant indicator. Well, we got plenty of time for questions.
I'm gonna stick around till
No, I don't. Mark that.
9:30 Mountain Time. So got hour and 20 minutes left out of me.
Excuse me. I never bet against Tesla, Michael.
Again, guys, we're in no rush. Stay patient.
We're almost to 100 with a thumbs up, YouTube. Just give me like 16 more.
1992. There's been some scalping opportunities, but just nothing A+ for me. You can technically always quote unquote find opportunity. You know, the market's moving up or down, even if it's a 5-point range, but is it worth it risk reward wise? For me, oftentimes it's not.
The candle there, looking at, we could see more downside. But no trades for me yet. We're just stuck in this range. We could just chop around, form like a triangle pattern, then break out. I know this.
What had a nice gold area retest. Or what had a nice 15-minute order area retest is gold. It's funny. Close, but we have the aggressive trend setting candle you guys can see here. Retest back down close. Ripper. Why can't we see this on ES or NQ right now? Does anyone here routinely trade gold or oil? You got any gold or oil traders here?
Trade some gold.
You do? You have?
I mean, I'm starting to. Just recently started.
Yeah, it's got some decent price action sometimes. You made twice that, shame on you.
Two more thumbs up. Just two more. I think I just have OCD. I like to see 100.
940.
Don't worry.
Now we're finally getting to some territory where we can possibly start looking for a trade.
I'm only looking at this second at downside. I would have rather seen a little more volume on the sell candle, but looking to see what this next 5-minute does. $45.40.
It could be a day, a tradeless day for me. We'll see. Let me take a look at ES. It's a tough area here because it's coming right down to this demand, right below this range. So let's be careful on ES.
Check. This time.
Sorry about keep jarring my phone. I'm trying to find this setup. I'm scanning through.
I was thinking about trying shorts up here, but I haven't pulled the trigger. I have not pulled the trigger. I can't get a good enough read in this on this market yet. Can't get a good enough read yet. So I'm just staying patient. I definitely don't like this candle for shorts, so we wait again.
Sometimes trading's just boring.
The indicator on the screen right now is the trading assistant, Mario.
drunk enough caffeine this morning for all of us, YouTube. If I could quit coughing. I got into the steam room this morning. It's got opened up my sinuses for sure.
Dude, I have nothing right now. I like it, Syntax. It does. It changes as the market moves. It reads it in real time. You know, I honestly think that any indicator you use needs to just come with your system, right? No indicator is going to be your holy grail, but it's definitely good.
I agree.
Man, Grizzly grinded on it real hard. I'm happy to be a part of it.
I think it is nearly. I think it's finished. The volume's the last thing I've been fine tuning on it. I'm gonna make one more adjustment today, but it's done. Arthur, the trading assistant's what's coming with this new drop I got. The launch. The one that Jay Dunn has on his screen. It's brand new. My creation. I think my first meal today will be some steak. We're gonna give it a little while longer here, YouTube. If we don't get us set up soon, I don't believe there's any point in us waiting around all day. Live to trade another day, but for those that did wait to take trades together, whatever, we've practiced good discipline this morning. Haven't forced any trades. The warp strategy is still valid. The warp setup is still valid. Nice. Smart, Free. Yes, it does, Sarah. A good steak can fix a lot of things.
I'm trying to find y'all a mega trade. I haven't taken anything yet. I've taken no trades.
They're coming after Jadon. They want to trade. Why haven't you found us a trade yet, Jadon? I said, why haven't you found us a trade yet?
I'm trying, man.
Brian, I haven't taken a trade this morning. You caught any? Yeah, I mean, the order strategy is valid, and I would say until after 1 p.m. Maybe a little earlier. Part of me wants to go short here. The soft price action alone. But I'm going to be patient. A little too much risk on that previous candle.
And back down.
I was halfway tempted to go short on that previous 5-minute close, but I didn't.
See, now I look at this 5-minute chart and I think to myself, well, I'd love to catch the downside move if we get that extended move down. I just would need to see a pop into 940-ish and stops have to be above 962. So you have to have a 20 plus point stop.
Yawn, yawn, yawn. Just the previous candle at the close back below VWAP. The seller's clearly in control. More aggressive selling, I guess, would be the proper way to word it.
Come on. I don't love it. I think it's looks decent. Well, it looked decent. We'll see what this candle is here.
What is going on? Why does everyone keep retracting their messages in chat? What are we talking about here? I missed something?
Right now, I'm more so looking for shorts. We'll see.
Well, I don't see anything. If I was guessing, I would say shorts, but if I had to take a trade,
Oh, nothing yet.
mm-hmm. I don't have any thoughts on it, Luke. I haven't read about it enough.
Market's got 50 more minutes for me, guys. Just less than an hour. I'm sure once I leave in less than an hour, or about an hour, you guys will go massive move in the market. So you guys are gonna make some moolah. Just wait till I leave. That's usually how it works, right? Yeah, set the alerts.
Well,
If I do
YouTube,
that, it'll know.
I don't think we're gonna catch a trade today, and that's okay. If you have Grizzology, still watch the 30-minute orb. I think tomorrow will be much better. So
Number one, stay focused, trade smart, and trade safe. You don't have to force. You see a good setup with visualized risk, you take it.
but we'll be back tomorrow. See if we can catch one. I think tomorrow will be a much better trading day. But you see the range we're in. Not much we can do with this, right? Appreciate you all for being here. It means a lot. Thanks for all the thumbs up. Peace.